Study Session 3 Metaphysics. Expected duration. The topic is expected to take 1 week or 2 contact hours. Expected objectives. At the end of this lecture, you should be able to 1. Define and explain the concept of metaphysics. 2. Discuss issues concerning the question of the origin, nature, and constituent of the universe. What is metaphysics? Historically, metaphysics comes from the Greek words meta, after or beyond, and physica, physics. In the literal sense, metaphysics can be translated as beyond the physical. According to authors like Aristotle, St. Thomas Aquinas, Otto Schopenhauer, Richard Taylor, and some of such other philosophers, metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that is concerned with the questions of the ultimate constituent and origin of the universe. It deals with questions of first principles, causality, and essence. Metaphysics can therefore be regarded as a comprehensive account of the universe. Every comprehensive account of experience of the world, of the universe, is informed by a theory of being or principle of reality. Reality is central to all metaphysical enquiries. Idealism and materialism. Idealism and materialism provide different answers to the question of the origin and the ultimate constituents of the universe. Idealism. This theory comes from idea. It states that idea, spirit, or non-matter provides the origin and the ultimate constituent of the universe. This means that physical, external world that we see is a product of and depends on idea, since ideas are conceived in the mind. In other words, the idealists believe that the physical world exists, but its reality and existence depends on the mind. This comes from the common adage by the idealists that to be is to be perceived. Materialism. The materialists hold the position that matter is the basic substance of everything that is. The ultimate constituent of the universe is matter. It must be noted that the materialists do deny the existence of spirits and gods. What they are saying is that the existence of entities like gods, spirits, angels, mind, and so on must be explainable in material terms. In other words, while the idealists are saying that idea is primary, the materialists are saying matter is primary. Universals and particulars. Universals refer to concepts like humanity, beauty, justice, goodness, etc. Particulars are the individual things that exist in the universe, e.g., woman, man, blue shirt, blue car, and so on. Universals are what the individual things share in common. Particular things come into being and pass away, while universals remain or subsist. For instance, particular men and women give an instant of humanity, but no particular man or woman is humanity itself. We also notice universals in particular objects or things that exhibit them. For instance, we recognize beauty in particular beautiful things, justice in particular just acts, and so on. However, What one takes as universal or particular is determined by one's view of reality, that is, whether one is a materialist or an idealist. Substances are regarded as the substratum which is not open to sensory observation, but determines the nature of those which are open to the senses. The qualities are the attributes of the substances, and the qualities are the ones that are open to the senses. For instance, humanity or humanness is the substance of size, shape, color, texture, etc. Study session summary. In this study session, the concept of metaphysics was defined and explained. Issues concerning the questions of the origin, nature, and constituents of the universe was also addressed. That ends study session 3. Thank you for listening.